Welcome back, artists. Today we are finishing our drawings of our insects. You need the photo of your insect, your drawing, an eraser, crayons, pencil, and Sharpie. We listened to Austin's Butterfly and we learned how important it is to look like scientists and to be okay with making mistakes. So I'm going to look closely at my drawing and see if there's anything that I might need to add or change before I start adding Sharpie. Like I noticed that actually the bottom of my fly should be a little more rounded and mine is a little too pointy. So I'm going to change anything that I notice now that I'm looking really closely and even more like a scientist than I was yesterday. Now that I think my drawing is pretty much done, I'm going to work on adding Sharpie to all of my lines so that they're a little bit easier to see. Now that I'm done with my drawing and adding Sharpie, I can take my big square or rectangle white eraser and I can erase the pencil lines. After I'm done erasing, I can sweep off all of the eraser pieces to the ground. Okay, now I'm ready to add some color. Just like Austin did, I'm going to look closely like a scientist at the colors that I see. I have my crayons, and if I find that there's a color that I don't have, I can always try layering some colors. Like on my fly, it's blue, but there's also green. So I might have to color some blue, but then also add some green on top. So as I color, I'm going to continue to look with my scientist eyes. Okay, now that I'm done coloring my bug, if I have time, I could add a background. Like maybe I'll add this green leaf, or I could come up with a different background from my imagination. Great job, artists.